India is one of the oldest civilizations in the world with a kaleidoscopic variety and a rich cultural heritage. It is the seventh largest country in the world. It is bounded by the Great Himalayas in the north. It stretches southwards and at the Tropic of Cancer tapers off into the Indian Ocean between the Bay of Bengal on the east and the Arabian Sea on the west.
Look around, hear the sound playing for you. Welcome to India. Welcome to India.
Kashmir, popularly known as the paradise on earth, Kashmir is world famous for its scenic splendor, snow-capped mountains, plentiful wildlife, hospitable people, and local handicrafts.
The land of supernatural landscape. Ladakh's lakes are an integral part of its character and beauty. Ladakh is quite famous for its incandescent mountains, longing valleys, breathtaking landscapes, the crystal clear skies, the highest mountain passes, thrilling adventure activities, Buddhist monasteries, and festivals.
Rajasthan, the land of kings, is the largest state of India, located in northwestern India. The land of royalty was ruled by Rajputs for a long time. Even today, they are regarded in very high esteem.
Gujarat is a flourishing state with cultural diversity. This vibrant state forms an integral part of the Indian culture. Gujarati culture is the blend of traditions, beliefs, customs, arts, values, and modernization.
Assam is one of the most enriched states of India. It bears the imprints of the past civilizations and stands tall on the location contours of the country.
A hilly state, Meghalaya is famous for its high rainfall, subtropical forests, and biodiversity.
Maharashtra is not only seen as the financial capital of India, but is literally the gateway of India, which is secular, progressive, yet rooted. The experience of Maharashtra is diverse and rich with colorful cultures woven into one gigantic quilt.
So let's travel to Kerala, the land of God. Kerala is believed to be the gift of the Arabian Sea. The pride of Kerala are gorgeous and exotic beaches, breathtaking hill stations, enchanting waterfalls, beautiful lagoons, meandering rivers, and amazing natural sceneries. These colors have made Kerala as a land of beauty and paradise on earth.
We Indians are always united together. Even during this pandemic, we have helped each other. We are sure that this unity will overcome this pandemic and we will start our life again with that happiness living forever.
जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया जो साथ दे